Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing slash opening of a new order that I just got in from Kikki K. Now, I know all of you know that I am doing a use all the things challenge and I'm trying not to buy anything myself. However, my birthday is Saturday and my mom asked what I wanted and I told her that I had been looking at something on the Kikki K website and she decided to go ahead and order it for me, which I'm very excited about because I'm ready to share it with all of you. Now, this is exactly how the package came from Kikki K. It was sent internationally from Australia. So I was kind of surprised that it didn't come in a box. But I mean, it seems to be okay. You know, it doesn't look like it got damaged or anything like that. So I'm really excited. Let's see, this says, Hej, Swedish for hello. Thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy your delicious purchases. Love, Kikki K. And that's it. So now, I have been kind of eyeing this for a little while since I saw it on, I think I saw it on another YouTube video, and I honestly can't remember which one it was, otherwise I would link it. But this is the holographic binder from Kikki K in an A5 size. And you know, I love anything and everything holographic, especially, you know, planner stuff. But, you know, I wasn't, you know, since I'm doing my use everything that I already have, I just was not going to, you know, spend the money on something else. Uh-oh, the focus is not working. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, I think that's better. But, you know, for a gift, I said, you know what, let's go ahead and get it because I've been eyeing this and I'm trying to see where I need to open it. Okay, here we go. Now, I'm not saying I'm totally moving into a ringed planner. However, this gorgeous thing could make me change my mind. So like I said, it's the A5 hollow binder, and you can see it's got a zipper. It comes in this beautiful tissue paper, which I'm almost afraid to remove. Because from what I've seen, this is just, oh, it is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So I don't want to get too much of a glare, but as you can see, it is a holographic zip binder. And let me, okay, it doesn't have a smell because usually when I have purchased the vinyl planners, they usually have like a strong plasticky smell. This one does not. And you can see that it's got a zipper all the way around. And then it has this cute little bow tie tassel here at the top. So pretty. So let's go ahead and open the inside so you guys can see. Now, as far as I know, this is dated for, I think it's dated for 2020. Now, I do have to say the vinyl on here is a lot thinner than what I was expecting. I thought it would be kind of like that heavy duty, like a thicker hollow plastic vinyl. But anyway, it's got white rings, and these are white metal rings. Really nice. And then you have the dividers, which also have the holographic type of design. Then you have a ruler here. And then it looks like you get some stickers. Very cute. Yes, so this is dated for 2020. And looks like, you know, the typical stuff you get in the beginning. Holidays and whatnot. Then you have a calendar for 2020, year at a glance 2021. And I'm trying to see when this planner actually starts. Okay, so it looks like it starts in December of 2019. And this is the month on 2 pages spread. And then it goes all the way to December of 2020. I really like this layout. Then you start with a week on 2 pages. So here, this starts November 25th and then December 1st. Really nice. And then in the next section, you get these perforated to-do sheets. And I'm hoping you guys can see that. It's got a perforation along the holes and then down the middle. And it looks like you get a nice amount of those as well. Then the next section, oh, and each tab is pretty much the same hollow design. Then we have an address section, which I probably won't use. I don't know, maybe repurpose that for something else. Then you have an expense section. Then birthdays and anniversaries, which I probably will not use that either. And then in the very back you have notes. Very cute. Then you have a holographic zip pouch, which I love. And then you have, looks like some sticky notes and some more random cards. Oh, I'm sorry, this is not sticky notes, it's just a notepad. And then that's it. Oh, and then you get an elastic pen loop here. So very nice. And I don't know what all this stuff is here. So, okay. So now this is going to be fun to set up. But like I said, I'm a little disappointed with how thin the cover is. I thought it would be a much thicker, heavy-dutier, you know, heavy-duty plastic. You can see the, the ring mechanism through here. And then this is the back. You know, so, I mean, this will be fun to use. However, I'm thinking I may use these inserts in my other ringed planner and use this for something else, like maybe more like storage, because I don't know how durable this would be like to carry around. But I mean, it'll probably be fine. Like I said, it's a little bit thinner than what I had expected, especially for the price. Now this is about I think it's $74, which, you know, it's not horrible, but that's not cheap either. And so, like I said, I really was expecting a little bit better quality for the cover. But I'm going to make it work regardless. Oh, and if you didn't know, it's like transparent see-through. So this is my first time actually ever ordering anything from Kikki K. I have used Kikki K products that I have purchased online elsewhere, but this is my first time actually buying something from the website directly and then, you know, receiving it and having the experience of ordering directly from Kikki K in Australia. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to drop those down in the comments below. And if you are not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone. Thanks again for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.